Well guys, that should not look like that. Yeah, we stuffed up big time. See what's missing there? Oh no, bugger. Oh, g'day guys, and welcome back to the channel. We stuffed up. Just lovely. Real typical. Today is Thursday. Oh no, it didn't happen on a Friday. We've got a kids camp this weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hoping to mow baleage on Monday, and boom. But it's okay. It is fixable. Now, I know what happened. Top link pin came out. I think I know why. Okay, I don't fully know, but like that is as it should be. That there. It's the third time over the life of this mower I've had that come out, and I think what's happening is this double-sided. See how this side of the pin and this side of the pin are the same, but actually there's bigger. I think the way I'm going to fix it is drill that out to that size and put a proper big pin through there, because I think this is doing that. And I think it's something to do with the way that pulls. I suspect that hole should be on that side. I don't know. I'm just guessing, but sorry about the wind noise. Like, if it was a one-off, I'd 100% say, look, it's just me. Now, it's definitely something to do with me, but at the same time, yeah, for it to happen 3 times, I don't know. It just doesn't seem right. So, ooh, that's nasty enough too, and a very big expensive tyre. Crikey, she's not good. Ouch. See, what happened is I went to lift up on the headland and back up, and ooh, that wound up going backwards upside down into the tractor. So I don't think the mower frame is bent. I think it's just the cover, so we'll fix that up. But yeah, she's not as tidy as it was before this. That happens, I guess. Right, let's see how she lifts up. Seems to be as it should be. Okay. Right guys, I'm going to finish this paddock because we've still got front mower. It'll take a wee while, won't be too bad, but it'll take a wee while. And we'll see you at the workshop and we'll start pulling this to bits. Like I say, the new half shaft, stud shaft, whatever you want to call it, the wee shaft that's broken. New one's going to be at Webline and Gore tomorrow morning. Hey, awesome work to those guys. They're actually pretty bloody good. We have never, any time I've needed a part, they've had it there. Well, they've had it in the country anyway. They're pretty good on their backup, so yeah, thumbs up to them, eh? Righto guys, we're at the workshop. Find out which one of these we bent. Right there. Yes, I know you're not supposed to use chrome sockets and impacts, but it shouldn't be yet. It's really not that tight. Probably should have been a lot tighter than that actually. It's alright though, because it hasn't caused us any trouble yet. I'll get that out of there with a punch later on. This one, on the other hand, is I thought it was just a keyway actually. Yep, that is just the washer, that's alright. Come on you, if you come. No, I think it might be a keyway slash taper lock. So, there's the keyway. We'll get a puller on it. Should probably get some tension off these belts first, I guess. They're probably just about on their way out actually, but they'll see this season out. You get on there and not quite. Right, that will do because I've had enough of that. Probably shouldn't use an impact for this, but especially one that powerful. But we are. Took a fair bit of coming off last time because I think it's a taper lock as well, but I can't remember. There we go. She's coming. Maybe it's not a taper lock. Right guys, both circlips are out, so there's a circlip goes there and there. I cannot remember for the life of me which way this goes, so let's give it a crack. Well, that looked like it was working. See if we can get it the rest of the way. Nope. Bearing's not going to come out. Which is a bit of a shame. Must have just given that a bit much of a mushroom when we hit her, because we hit her pretty hard. It's alright though, because there's nothing we can't fix. It's about the biggest punch I seem to have over here. I think we're winning. Slowly. There we go. Yeah, that bearing is not healthy. I don't think what we just did helps it, so hopefully tomorrow when we get the new shaft they do have at least one new bearing there for us as well. Well, on the other end though is a wee bit rumbly as well. Not anywhere near as bad, but neither one of them are great. So that is what broke. We can talk about the quality of metal in there and the fact that that is potentially been exposed for a while. Is it? Hang on a minute. Surely not. Yeah, or is it just where it twisted off? I don't know. But ultimately what happened to it, it was never supposed to handle that kind of pressure, so we can't really say it's a defective part. Yep. That, I still question what's going on there. Like I said, to make 3 of them fall out. Last one had a lynch pin in as well, which I prefer lynch pins obviously because they're bigger like these things. But I don't know. I just don't know. But like I say, what I think we'll do over winter, drill that hole out to be that size. I'll have to buy a special drill bit to do that, but it'll stay in the inventory. Could be something to do with the angle there as well, but we sort of have to do that. For the front mower, yeah. Oh well, is what it is. Anyway, we've got that off now. I've got a kids motorbike camp this weekend, so wife and I are both going, both boys are going. Hopefully it'll be a whole lot of fun. I'm going to fix this tomorrow, so we'll come back to this. Right now though, I'm going to get this out of the road, all those parts inside. I'm going to go to Matera to get a tyre for my wife's TT250R. Yep, purple anniversary bike. Pretty cool, but yeah, she's not a particularly confident rider, and that back tyre is getting pretty buggered, so we'll go get that done now. Oh, we got the old 500s tyres on the 420. That ought to kill it. Right, so I've got the new shaft. Make sure she's the same as the other one, and it looks to be almost exact, although I almost wonder if that's actually slightly longer between the bearings. We shall find out, although that bearing may have actually, yeah, it may sit in there a wee bit. Yeah, so it might be right. Knives for both mowers, full new sets. That battery's causing trouble. Belts for the front mower, and 2 new bearings for the back mower. So, let's make a start. Well, that didn't want to work. Well, that was an amount of chaos that you were really better off not seeing. See if this one comes out easier. We're going to need a bigger hammer? I think we are. Haven't really got a good purchase on that, but all that moved. Oh yeah. Stay in there, you. She's on her way. There we go. One bugger bearing out. And it'll be about now that we find out these aren't the right size, but no, they are. Right, where have I put my wee hammer? Somewhere handy. Might be a wee bit more gentle trying to drive these home. Found the tight spot. Got the perfect seal driver. Sorry, bearing driver. That almost went in too easy, but it's at home. Right. Same deal here, just a bit more awkward. Hang on a minute, I'm not thinking straight here. I'm not thinking straight at all. It's got to come back out. Try and get this right on the outside edge. gotta go on the shaft. Right. That's okay. Going down. Slowly. Probably just maybe not. It does not move very far. Oh, yes it is. It's actually peeling some kind of protective layer off that shaft that I should possibly have removed first, but I don't know, so I didn't. Oh, we must be home. Home or very nearly home. Still nice and free. A bit of grease off the inside of that shaft around there, because that is a piece of PDO shaft. That's right. I think that's us. Right. Right. But not forget to put the circlip back in before we start hitting it with a hammer. As per usual on this farm, all of the circlip pliers are broken, and the only pair I can find are the wrong way to what I need, but just about, not quite. I reckon that should go in there. I don't reckon it's got any excuse at all whatsoever for not going in there. No, it didn't. All that hitting with the hammer was unnecessary because now it's there. Right. Scary bit. Not going to be easy. Right. This is where I wish I had a big heavy brass hammer or something. Go through a little bit. Oh yeah, it's moving through right the first bit. Might have a change of plan there. Right, the old porta pair. That's nicer. They're going to line itself up, probably not. Maybe it is. Look at that. Bearing hasn't even moved on that shaft. Oh, come on. Only a couple more. Look at that. Bingo, get it moved. Right. See if we can get that hose clamp on. It's hose clamp, sorry. Circlip. Right. Don't actually know if that is in, is it? No. Not quite. A very awkward angle to try and hit the hammer with here. We'll have a go. pull that back out. Have another look. There's that big socket we had before. That won't go over the shaft. Did that make any difference? It did not. Right, now I'm starting to get annoyed. I wonder how far off we are there. Still a wee way actually. Bugger. That there. There we go, got it. Last little bit, didn't take much. That's enough of that. It's getting very close. That might be just about us actually. We might rely on the nut to pull the rest of it up. Just give that a wee tap in there. Would have gone in pretty easily anyway. No damage to the threads on the nut that I can see. Screwing on by hand, I'm probably right with that assumption. Right, haven't got the rattle gun here. We might try and get the rest of that once the belts are on, I think, because yeah, it'll give me something to hold it against. Can't quite be right in there. No, it's not. Those wee fins right there, they run very, very, very close to that housing, so no noise there though, that's good. Right guys, we just had a look in the book and there to there it's supposed to be 78 millimeters. I'm going to make it a little bit more than that because these belts are old. They're not too bad, they're just sitting down in the grooves a wee bit compared to new ones, so I'm a little bit nervous right now. I can't make this thing spin. And I'm a bit nervous that the tractor's not going to be able to either because Hopefully I'm wrong, but I'm almost a bit suspicious that something may be a bit more wrong than I think it is. I haven't actually really had a look. I don't think so. No. See, there's oil. No, that's not oil, that's just water. Yeah, that's right, because it's gear oil in there and it really stinks, and I don't think we're going to bend that gearbox somehow. Yeah. Right. We will find out very, very shortly. That doesn't look bent. Bar doesn't look tweaked. No. Does it? No, it doesn't. Right, I'll keep going and come back to you in a minute. Right, so that was fun. I was wondering how I was going to get that out. We just put a few nicks in it with the grinder. Had to turn around because that one there was too close to the next one. In fact, it almost looks like it's below it. It is, it must have gone back in. Anyway, we got her out. That's right, no, we came down this way. Yeah, so, yeah, that one is still above that one. Yeah, they become further apart that way, that's right. I would suspect, although it's hard to see, that it's got a faint twist in it, because that's what happened last time before she broke. That's alright, I'm sure some health and safety boffin's going to tell me that it needs replaced now, and they can be told where to go, because it doesn't. Okay? Anyway, right, we'll go and put that back together, fire this thing up, and see what happens. I'm nervous, guys. I'm real nervous. Talking about health and safety though, one thing I will reiterate, please run PDO guards. That is one thing that is just not worth risking. Why doesn't that want to go any further? That's annoying. That should go easier than that. Still tight. There we go, the clasp is closed. Right, I'm going to leave you guys outside somewhere to see all the drama. nothing's wrong. One little tinkling noise you might have heard, don't hit it. Safety chain on the PDO. We might actually just fix that right now. Temporary fix, but it is a fix. If that fits, it does. Beauty. Sorted. Can't go anywhere. Sort of can. No, I don't like that. Right guys, once again, the health and safety boffins can bugger off if they are not happy with this. I do not care. It is going to work. And if they say, which I have had before, that a piece of wire isn't good enough, that's a whole lot of pieces of wire, and believe me, they are not as strong as this high tensile that I'm currently bending. They're actually rubbish. They do a job, but it's rubbish quality steel, and that is far stronger. So, done. Right, let's run this thing up for a while, and just make sure no more funny noises happen. Right guys, well that seems pretty good to me, pretty happy with that. I think that's a success. I was terrified that thing wasn't going to go. I thought it was just going to lock up the belts and, well, lock up the little pulley and squeal the belts. But it didn't, it's going. Going to have to fix that back cover up obviously, it's got to be all pulled up back and around. But we'll get that work, we'll get that sorted one day. It may happen before we mow baleage tomorrow. We may not mow baleage tomorrow, I'm hoping we do. It may not happen before that. We'll see how that goes. But yeah. So yeah, I think we'll leave it there guys. I'll do the rest tomorrow. We'll see you next time.